So when was the last time you saw the mild sun rays in the morning or waited for a few minutes while your skin soaked in the sunlight at dawn? So are you feeling depressed? Are you always hungry? Are you facing anxiety issues? Have you put on extra belly fat? If yes to all the above, then your body might be deficient in vitamin D. Yes. Hello, I am Resham and you're watching DNP India. पहले तो welcome back to our channel, and in case if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it now. And do not forget, yes, do not forget to share this video as well as the other videos on our channel. Thank you. So vitamin D deficiency is quite common, and yet most people are not aware when they suffer from it. Yes, you heard it right. That's because the symptoms are often subtle and non-specific, meaning that it's hard to know if they're caused by low vitamin D levels or if there is something else. So mild sunlight in the morning is the best source of vitamin D, and trust me on that. Other sources of vitamin D are cheese, egg yolks, soy milk, fatty fish, salmon fish, tuna, mushrooms and whatnot. So if your daily exposure to sunlight is limited because you wake up an hour later, if you stay indoors for long duration or live in northern latitudes or have an occupation that prevents sun exposure, you may be at risk of vitamin D deficiency. Yes, you heard it right, people. So if you think that you may have a deficiency, it's important that you speak to your doctor and get your blood levels measured. Fortunately, a vitamin D deficiency is usually easy to fix. So you can either increase your sun exposure during morning, eat more vitamin D rich foods such as fish or dairy products, or you can also find a variety of vitamin D supplements, where please note that vitamin D supplements should be taken by the advice of a doctor only. So today I'm going to discuss some of the common signs and symptoms of a vitamin D deficiency. Yes, so the number one is depression and anxiety. So I'm going to go a little technical on that. So the body produces serotonin from the body chemical melatonin. So melatonin is produced in response to sunlight, and the more exposure to sunlight results in more melatonin, thus of course more serotonin. So too little of serotonin leads to one feeling cranky, irritable, depressed or anxious. The second symptom is muscle pain, low bone density and similar to that. So due to vitamin D deficiency, there will be an inadequate absorption of calcium in the body, and vitamin D helps in absorption of calcium. So in case of inadequate vitamin D in body, then it leads to low bone mineral density and can occur, which results in chronic muscular pain and pain in joints as well, and later can lead to osteoporosis as well. So the third symptom is hair loss. So stress, anxiety, depression, low immunity gradually causes hair loss. So as all of the above are the signs of vitamin D deficiency, so calcium, vitamins and minerals are major building components of hair and skin, and nutrition deficiency do affect their vitality as well. Where 65% of the Indians have vitamin D deficiency, so it's important to get yourself and your family checked up for vitamin D. Please keep a note on that. So the next symptom is unexplained fertility. So it is observed that the vitamin D deficient women have less chances of getting conceived as well. Please know that's a major symptom as well. So the next one is poor wound healing. So it's also been suggested that vitamin D's role in controlling inflammation, fighting infection, which is important for proper healing. So didn't know about this symptom? Now you know it. So the next one is poor immune system leading to increased risk of illness or infection. So one of vitamin D's most important role is keeping your immune system strong, so you're able to fight off viruses and bacteria that causes major illness. So it directly interacts with the cells that are responsible for fighting infection, and you all might agree with me that at present this is very important, a proper immune system. So the next one is constant feeling of fatigue and tiredness are also a sign of low vitamin D. So if you find these symptoms, then you lack vitamin D. Though it's not really life-threatening initially, but it does affect the quality of life. So that was all for today's segment. If you like today's content and video, then please do like, share and subscribe to DNP India. If you gain anything from one of these health tips, then please do mention that in the comment box below. Keep loving us, keep showering your love and keep watching DNP India.